16 September 2021 Morarji Desai entrance exam key answers versions code A1 English medium. ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ನಡ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ 1 ಪತ್ರದ ಮೇಲ್ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದಿನಾಂಕ, ಹೆಸರು, ವಿಳಾಸ. 2 ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಉದಾಹರಣೆ. ಬಿ ಅಂಕಿತ ನಾಮ. 3 ಧೀರ ಸೇನಾನಿ ಬೇವೂರರು ಈ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಿ ಬಾಗಲಕೋಟೆ. 4 ಕೆ.ಎಸ್. ನಿಸಾರ್ ಅಹಮದ್ ಅವರ ಕವನ. ಡಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ. 5 ಕಾಂಚನ ಸುಂದರ ಹುಡುಗಿ. ಸುಂದರ ಎಂಬುದು ಗುಣವಿಶೇಷಣ. 6 ದತ್ತಾತ್ರೇಯ ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರ ಬೇಂದ್ರೆಯವರ ಕಾವ್ಯನಾಮ. ಸಿ ಅಂಬಿಕಾತನಯ ದತ್ತ. 7 ಇವುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಂಧಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಡಿ ದೀರ್ಘ ಸಂಧಿ. 8 ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸಂಗೀತ ಪಿತಾಮಹ ಯಾರೆಂದರೆ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್. ಎ ಪುರಂದರದಾಸರು. 9 ರಾಮನು ನದಿಯನ್ನು ಈಜಿದನು ಎಂಬುದು ಇದನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಸಿ ಕ್ರಿಯಾ. 10 ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಚಿತ್ರ. ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಲೇಖನ ಚಿಹ್ನೆ. ಬಿ ಭಾವಸೂಚಕ. 11 ಮನೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹೂ. ಎ ಮನೆಯು. 12 ಕೆಲಸ, ಉದ್ಯೋಗ, ಕವನ, ಉಳಿಗ. ಈ ಪದಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಂಪಿಗೆ ಸೇರದ ಪದ. ಸಿ ಕವನ. ರಾಮನು ನೀರನ್ನು ಕುಡಿಯುವವನು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಭವಿಷ್ಯತ್. ಸಿ ಭವಿಷ್ಯತ್ ಕಾಲವಿದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಭವಿಷ್ಯತ್ ಕಾಲವಿದೆ. 14 ಪಂಚಮಿ ಹಬ್ಬ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅನುಸ್ವಾರಾಕ್ಷರ ಎ ಪಂ. 15 ಕೂಗಿದರೆ ರಾವಣ, ಆರಿದರೆ ಹನುಮ, ಕುತ್ತರೆ ಮುನಿ, ನಾನು ಯಾರು. ಬಿ ಕಪ್ಪೆ. 16 ಬಾಲಕರು ಪತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಹಂಚಿದರು. ಇದನ್ನು ಏಕವಚನದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಎ ಬಾಲಕ ಪತ್ರವನ್ನು ಹಂಚಿದನು. 17 ಅಕ್ಕ ಪದವನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿಸಿದಾಗ ಅ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಖ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅ. ಎ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ. 18 ಭಾರತ ದೇಶ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರವಾದ ದಿನ. 15/8/1947. 19 ವಂದಿ ಮಾಗಧರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊಗಳಭಟ್ಟರು. 20 ರವೀಂದ್ರನಾಥ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗೂರ್ ಅವರ ನಾಟಕವನ್ನು ಪಂಜರ ಶಾಲೆ ಎಂದು ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುವಾದಿಸಿದವರು ಬಿ ಬಿ ಕಾರಂತ್. ಡಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಸರಿ. ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 2 ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್. 21 ನಾಗರಾಜ್ is a clever boy. Identify the describing word. Clever. D clever. 22 she comes to school dash car. C by car. 23 let us dash tomorrow. D meet tomorrow. 24 action speaks louder than words. Choose the correct option. B one should implement his actions rather than keep talking then about them. B answer ಸರಿ ಉತ್ತರ. 25 this is dash adventure story. This is an adventure story. Ramana Maharshi dash. Ramana Maharshi loved animals and birds. 27 feminine gender of men. C women. 28 dash is your class teacher. Who is your class teacher? 29 the opposite of the word active is C lazy. 30 how nice it is to drive a coach. A exclamatory sentence. 31 Nandini was daughter of Kamadhenu. 32 the bravery award are announced on B 14th November. 33 Pithias and Raman kept their B promise. 34 the first name of Swami Vivekananda. C Narendra. 35 it is not a textbook. Dash a notebook. The appropriate conjunction to be filled in the blanks is AR. 36. Tumba is in a Kerala. 37. The rhyming word for sea is AC and sea flew. Both are correct. 38. Choose the correct short form. D. Is not, isn't it? 39. Children's always dash the truth. C. Speak the truth. Kitten, cat, foal, B. Horse. Sections 3. Mathematics. In this circle, the diameter is DAB. Convert 5 kg 600 gram to grams. 5600 grams. In 43, in this cube, number of pieces are A6. 44. The fraction of the color portion in the figure is 1/6. 45. Example for obtuse angle B 138 degree. 46. Write the following numbers in the figure using commas. 65,718. C. 65,718. 47. The length and breadth of rectangular room are 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. Find the perimeter of the room. D. 14 meter. The length of the square room is 6 meter. What is the area? 36 meter. 49. Convert 3000 to kilometers. 3 kilometers. B is correct answer. 50. What should be added to 37,946 to get 91,643? 50. D is correct answer. Find the quotient of 1435 divided by 15. A is correct answer. A workers 52. A worker enters the factory at 7:20 am. He finishes his work and leaves the factory at 3:20 pm. For how many hours has he worked in the factory? A 8 hours. How many kiloliters make 7,000 liters? 7 kiloliters. 54. Name the shape is D cone. 55. 3,746 into 23 is equal to B 86,158. Correct answer. 58. 56. Write 2 by 10 as decimal fraction. D answer is correct. 0.2. 57. 12, 24, 36, 48. Next number is C. 60. 58. What is the cost of 6 books if the cost of one book is 24.75 is equal to D answer 48.50. 59. 3,626 plus 5,243 is equal to B 8,869. 60. 9,000 minus 5,348 is equal to A answer correct 3,652. Section 4 Science. 61. Water that is stored under the earth's crust and comes out due to the pressure through an opening is called D spring. 62. Food materials that are rich in vitamin are vegetables, fruits and lemon. 63. Average life of turtle is 150 years. 64. Benefits of sports. C. Good health. 65. This is a plant-based product. B. Cotton. Molecular formula of water is D. H2O. 67. The sum of potential energy and kinetic energy is called B. Mechanical energy. 68. Which is the nearest planet to the sun? C. Mercury. 69. Fish, meat and milk are preserved by storing them at very low temperature. It is called B. Cold storage. 70. This is the renewable resource. D. Solar energy. 71. Mention the name of the sign used in the family tree. Wife and husband. C answer correct. 72. Brick, solid, and milk, B liquid, correct. 73. This is object floats on water. B balloon. 74. These are the basic structure of the living beings. A cell. 75. A honeybee collects nectar from dash flowers in one round. 50 to 100. 76. COVID-19 infection is caused by D. Coronavirus. 77. The sun rays help to produce dash vitamin in our body. D. Vitamin D. 78. Number of bones in our body. B. 206. 79. An example for perennials. D. Mango. 80. Which gas is the major component of air? A. Nitrogen. Section 5. Social science. 81. A set of imaginary lines drawn on the globe from east to west. A. Latitudes. 82. The program introduced by the government for the better future of the girls. A. Bhagya Lakshmi Yojana. 83. National animal of India. D. Tiger. 84. Duration of Kharif rainy season. A. Correct answer. June to September. 85. Dune means B. Wide and long valley of the mountains. 86. Millets are called the friends of piments because they can grow using less water. A. Correct. 87. Halley is D. Comet. 88. Food storehouse of India. A. Fertile plains. 89. Highest peak in the Aravallis is C. Guru Shikara. 90. Sheep of desert is camel. 91. Heliocentric model was first proposed by C. Aryabhatta. 92. In Tokyo Olympics, Mirabai Chennu won silver medal for this game. Weight lifting. D is correct answer. 93. The lion capital which 4 lions atop the Ashoka pillar is at Saranatha. B answer correct. 94. National anthem of India was written by Rabindranath Tagore. C answer. 95. Gateway of Karnataka, New Mangalore Fort. 96. Agevu is a traditional method of storing grains. 97. After Kalpana Chawla, the second woman of India origin to fly into space is Sirisha Bandla. B answer is correct. 98. The capital of Karnataka state is Bengaluru. C answer is correct. 99. Krishna Raja Sagara or KRS dam is in the district. D. Mandya district is correct. 100th last question. The first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest is Bajendri Pal. B answer is correct. All of you, thank you for listening.